Hello everyone. We are from Department of ECE, Government College of Technology, Coimbatore, and our topic is Smart Switch, which is a part of IoT-based home automation. This picture gives an outline of a project. We have got an ESP8266 node MCU. We have got a relay which is connected to the node MCU, and also a mobile phone which is connected to the node MCU through Wi-Fi. So this mobile phone can be used to control the relay through the node MCU. So our main objective is to control a relay in a circuit using mobile phones. So a user using his or her mobile phone should specify a time for which the relay has to be closed, and after that time the relay should automatically get opened, that is the total circuit gets opened. For that we need to build a web server using Arduino IDE to control the relay through ESP8266 node MCU. So that web server should allow the user to specify the time for which the relay has to be closed, and that time can be adjusted using a slider on the web page. A button is also provided in the web page so that the timer can be switched on. So after the time is specified and the button in the web page is switched on, the timer starts counting backwards, and once the time ends, the relay gets open. This is the overall schematic of the design. The timer is set using the slider, the button is clicked on, and for the specified time the circuit is closed and the output is high, and after the time ends the circuit is open and the output is low. This is the initial setup of the project. You've got the ESP8266 node MCU. It's connected to the mobile phone through Wi-Fi, and this is the relay which is also connected to the node MCU, and the other end of the relay is connected to the socket which connects to the external circuit. Now I have connected my Bluetooth earphones to the socket, and the relay is normally closed. When I switch on the power supply, my earphones starts charging. This is the program in Arduino IDE to build a web page and control the relay through Node MCU. Now I'm going to compile the sketch. Now the program is being uploaded in the Node MCU, and the uploading is done. So now after uploading the program to the Node MCU, I'm going to connect my mobile phone to the Node MCU through the 8266 Wi-Fi module. And after the connection is over, I will go to the Wi-Fi settings, and here I will be able to open the web page with which I'm going to control the relay. So as I said before, in this web server I've got a slider to control the time for which the relay has to be closed. When the slider moves, you can see the number of seconds increasing. So I've also got a button below the slider with which I can switch on the timer and the counting starts backwards. Now in my web page I have set the timer to 10 seconds and I have switched on the button. Once the time ends, the relay gets opened and my earphone stops charging. You can see the light turning off in the earphone. This smart switch can be used to control the charging time of mobile phones, laptops, torch batteries, and other rechargeable batteries so that we can protect them from overcharging, which may reduce its lifetime, and this can prevent the batteries from swelling. This smart switch can also be used in controlling lights in house by switching them on and off automatically whenever we need. Thank you.